Hey everyone, I'm Amy from EpoddleNails.com, and I wanted to share with you what comes in the new Colorstreet onboarding kit. So this is as of March 2018, and all of the things that you get here, I can't guarantee will be in your onboarding kit. However, this is what I got in mine in March 2018. It's 18, I'm not used to that yet. Okay, so everything comes in this amazing black box, and they just slap a shipping sticker on there. It's so sleek, it's got polka dots on the back. It really is super cute. I love their branding, the fonts they chose. I'm kind of a font nerd, so it is what it is. So first, when you open it up, you'll see some paperwork. So the first one was a welcome email or a welcome letter that was just really nice. Like, welcome to this adventure. This is why we did this. And then it's signed by like everybody who works there right now. Like, this is a cute little company that's just starting, and look, it's signed by everybody. I know it's a copy, but still, you know, it was really heartwarming. Then you get kind of a cheat sheet on like the ways to earn the income, and then also on the back, the leadership portion of it. So there's two different ways to earn income with Colorstreet, one of which is actually selling the nails and getting your profit on that. Your profit jumps depending on how much you sell. Email me if you want to know more about that. And then there's the leadership part of it, which means bringing people into the business, helping them get started with their own business so that they can also make a profit for their family. Just a fun little, like, I like that, so you don't have to go into your email every single time you want to reference it. I'm just going to keep it on my desk. Then there was a paper that showed the Jumpstart bonuses and goals that you can get within your first 35, 65, and 95 days. I've already hit some of those. I'll make another video about how I did that so fast. And then there was another sheet of actually how to apply, and then some tips for application. So this would be amazing to put in a frame, or to put up in your office somewhere if you're having people come to your house, or just a frame so that when you go and have parties, you can have this at a glance. And then if you're not super keen yet on putting them on, it's a really great reference for you as well. Here is another one that I feel like should be framed. It's the hostess benefits for when you do have a hostess, and she and her friends are shopping through a party with you, a nail bar they're called. And so this is what she's gonna receive. This also would be great to put in a frame so that you can have it up at your party so she knows and the other people know what they're gonna get when they host a nail bar with you. Okay, so there also, speaking of nail bars, there were some cute little, oh my gosh, I sold jewelry for 5 years, and the catalog was not this tiny, so I love this, it's so cute. It is the spring, I got the spring catalogs, and it just shows you everything that will be available online or through the nail bar, and it's so cute. It's actually just like a pamphlet. So no, you know, it's super easy. Would be super easy to ship to people if they are wanting to see it, like if you have out-of-state customers or whatnot. And then on the back of the pamphlet, it has how to apply. Again, it has a little note from the owners. It has what you earn as a hostess benefit, and then how to become a stylist as well. So that's nice that all of this information is all handy in this little catalog. Okay, so you get a Road to Success pamphlet, or kind of like spiraled book. This is really amazing because, well, you'll get all of this information from your sponsor as well, which is the person that you signed up under. This information is really great for at a glance. It gives you tips for a nail bar, tips for a Jumpstart, how to, like, finding your why and why you even started. Again, the same thing, some of the same stuff that comes in the pamphlets, but it's in a nice handy book. These are like some great calendar control. I'll make a video on calendar control as well. And just some fill in the blank sheets back here too that really help you get your business started. And then here's some other things. I'm just gonna open these. Actually, yeah, let's open these. So this is a hostess event form. So this is for when your hostess wants to order, if you're at a nail bar and you're not doing things through online, you wanna do the hostess benefits. And so this is gonna be like, you can take her order so you can put it in later. Up here at the top, it has the hostess benefits so you and her never forget. And then there's also a customer order form as well. Same idea, just for the customers if you're not doing it completely online and you have them in person. Okay, now to this, that was the paperwork portion. Now to the super, super duper fun stuff, the actual products. Okay, so here they wanted to give you everything you needed to get a really good jump start on your business. The package is $129 plus tax and shipping. Mine came out to about $151. This gave you so much stuff for that amount of money. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got 10 nail strips. Okay, so I got 10. You're supposed to get 10. I got 12 because there were a couple things out of stock, so they replaced it with stuff that was of higher value for us. So I got 10 plus 2, 12 total of the nail strips that I can start using for marketing purposes to start encouraging hostesses to book. I would encourage you not to just sell these off at retail value and to really utilize these as a marketing tool, and I'll make another video about that as well. You got some nail prep pads. These are alcohol swab pads, and I really like these versus like just going and buying them at the grocery store because they are branded with Colorstreet logo, and it really makes your little twosie packs really come across with a really good branding and really good business. I don't know, people feel good about that, right? And then speaking of twosies, you get I got 4 different styles in the twosies. These are amazing for giving out samples. This is a product that people wanna try, wanna make sure that they love before they commit to lots and lots, or get obsessed, I should say, not commit. Commit's the wrong word, obsessed is the right word. And I got 4 different designs. So I got, which was really great because I got 1 glitter, which really gives the people who are interested in glitter an option. I got a solid so that you, and these are great for you practicing to put solids on yourself. And then I got 2 designs, and this one's kind of a little bit of a shimmer design too. So I love that they gave us a variety so that you can, if someone's particularly asking about a solid or particularly asking about a glitter, you have that on hand to be able to give them. And then I got nail polish or nail files, little emery boards, and I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna do with these in a second. I also got cuticle pushers, and then we got nail polish remover pads, 2 boxes of these. These are fabulous. I actually tried them the other day to take off. I was wearing this one, and it came off in an instant. So these are really great for to give some hostesses or to give away as well. So speaking of the packs, I'm gonna put together some packs with a twosie, my card, of course, and a how to apply, and then some nail strip pads, 1 of the pads, an emery board, and then also a cuticle pusher so that I can get these packs together. I can carry them on my person when I'm out at the grocery store. Somebody compliments my nails, I can give it to them as soon as possible. So, and then of course, last but not least, the best part, well, sort of the best part, a bag to carry it all in. And can you believe all of this stuff fits? Like your whole business fits in a small bag. It's amazing. So you can walk around sporting your Colorstreet logo so that people ask you what Colorstreet is, always sporting your nails as well. So you can pull your twosie samples right out, you can pull a catalog right out, or you can pull your calendar out for when people wanna host a nail bar with you. You can immediately get them on your books. So this is the pack that you get, $129. In my eyes, this is such a great value because even if you're not trying to do this humongous, you're getting so much for your money, for your $129 in just the nails themselves. If you are interested in learning more about joining my Colorstreet team, it is so fabulous. I'm so excited. Please email me at amy@epoddlenails.com. You can also visit my website at epoddlenails.com as well if you want to try out the product first. There's an events tab and you can click through that and you can shop through that. Be sure to hit subscribe and leave a comment, hit like, and we'll see you next time. Bye.